Hi everyone, welcome back to our new session. Today I'm here to show you one of the authentic and delicious dish from South Indian cuisine. South people have different food culture comparatively to other states in India. We as a South people prefer to have healthy and heavy breakfast. The first thought that comes up to our mind about breakfast is idli. The texture of idli should turn out to be softer and fluffier. The best combination with idli goes with sambar. So let's get started with idli and sambar recipe. So the ingredients are chili powder, turmeric, salt, oil, sambar powder, tur dal, jaggery, tamarind, coriander leaves, hing, drumsticks, onions, tomatoes, bottle gourd, brinjal, chili, ghee, garlic, red chili, jeera, mustard seeds, curry leaves. Soak tamarind in hot water. Rinse the dal, add 1 tablespoon of oil, 3 cups of water. Mix it well, close the lid and let it cook up to 3 to 4 whistles. Take a kadai, add 1 tablespoon of ghee, garlic, mustard seeds and jeera, red chilies, few curry leaves and half teaspoon of hing. Add all the cut vegetables to the kadai. Add half tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix it well and close the lid. Now open the pressure cooker lid and smash the dal well. After the vegetables are nicely cooked, add the smashed dal into the kadai. Let it cook for a while. Now add the tamarind water into it. Add a small piece of jaggery, a cup of water, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of sambar powder and few coriander leaves. Let it cook for a while and add few coriander and curry leaves. Sambar is now ready. For idli you need 1 cup of urad dal, 3 tablespoons of poha, 2 cups of idli rava. Add salt to the fermented batter. Mix it in one direction for 2 to 3 minutes. Take a idli maker, add some water into it. Now apply ghee to the plate and add batter to it. Once the water comes to boil, put the plates inside and close the lid. Let it cook for 10 minutes on high flame and 5 minutes on low flame. Soft and fluffy idli is now ready.